How hard can it be? Microsegmentation and Cisco Secure Workload. This time it's agent deployment with a golden Windows image. All right, we're in the agent installer. Let's go ahead and go to agent image installer and let's look for Windows. And we're going to pull the deep visibility installation because I want to show you how easy it is to upgrade to enforcement. Now also, once you select the OS, it provides the parameters you need to install, which also includes the activation key. Now we got it downloaded, we've got it already on our Windows asset. So this is a clean install of Windows. We have not sysprepped it yet. Now we'll go ahead and run the installation. No start equals yes. We don't want the service to start. And that's quick, right? It's very, very fast. Let's go ahead and check the services. And we can see right here that it's set to automatic, but it isn't started currently. All right, let's check add and remove programs. And you can see Cisco Secure Workload Agent is installed. Now we're going to go ahead and use, in my case, cloud-based init. This is going to sysprep the machine, but also allow me to set up some configurations to ensure once the machine comes online, it's ready to go. So I'm setting the administrator user here. And again, I accelerate this a little bit. You don't need to watch it, but it does the installation here. And obviously you wouldn't have to do this. This would already be part of the process. All you would do is sysprep. Now let's go ahead and run sysprep. Again, this will take a little bit of time to sysprep the box. And shutting down, reboot. Okay. Now let's go into CloudInit here. I'm using Proxmox. You can see that there's some configuration settings that I have enabled. I'm going to go ahead and convert this into a template. So these are some additional steps that I'm taking. And again, this is a very short video considering all of the stuff that I'm doing here. We're going to convert to a template and then deploy the new Windows Server production with Cisco Secure Workload Agent in sensor mode. And then we're going to upgrade it to enforcement. So again, this will take a few minutes to get the asset deployed and for it to come online. Cisco Secure Workload will be enabled. We'll go ahead and start the VM. Again, just reviewing the steps in CloudInit. Now I'm accelerating this piece because you don't need to watch the asset come online for the first time. There's some stuff that it's got to do. It's going to do a reboot, right? All of those specific configurations are going to come into play and then we're ready to go. And at that point, Cisco Secure Workload would be in sensor mode. So no enforcement, not just yet. I just decided to do sensor mode first, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to transform that into enforcement. Most likely, though, you would have done enforcement right out of the gate, and policies would have been enforced. All right, let's log in. Looks like an average Windows asset, but let's go ahead, let it come up here. Takes a little bit of time. We go into local server. We can see the host name was captured here. We've got the IP that we wanted set. So everything looks good. But is Secure Workload actually installed and running? Let's check that out. Go to Services. And sure enough, there it is. Let's check to see if it's running. And it is. Fantastic. All right, let's go into Secure Workload. Let's go into the asset itself. We can see that the agent itself is in sensor mode. We're going to convert it into enforcement. This is going to allow us to enforce policy on the asset. So that's it. We go ahead and do that. Shortly, you'll see that the deep visibility agent on that specific workload will refresh to enforcement. Give it a refresh a couple times. All right, it's in enforcement mode now. Let's go ahead and check out what's here. So we see good enforcement health, agent health, everything looks good, enforcement's in play, long-lived processes. Look, we're already getting data. Remember, even in sensor mode, we're collecting data. Process snapshot, we haven't been up that long, and we got a ton of detail already coming into the platform. Okay, let's check out interfaces, packages. Not seeing any vulnerabilities. That's a good sign. We can see the actual configuration profile of the agent. Any stats, well, that's going to come in over time. Enforcement health, config success, and then the policies in place here. And that's it. Golden image, Cisco Secure Workload agent deployed on an asset, ready to go.